For the exponential function f, the value of f of 1 is k, where k is a constant. Which of the following equivalent forms of the function f shows the value of k as the coefficient or the base? So in the given answer choices, I have to find the function f of x where the value of k is shown as the coefficient or the base. How do we have to get the value of k? To get the value of k, let's consider this information. That is f of 1 is k. So to get the value of k, we have to plug in 1 for x into the function f of x. Okay, now let me get the value of k for the function f of x in answer choice A. That is, we have to plug in 1 for this x. Then we have 50 times 2 to the power of, so let's plug in 1 for x over here. Then we get 1 positive 1, which is equal to 50 times 2 to the second power, which is 4, and 50 times 4 is 200. Here I got the value of k for the function f of x in answer choice A. But the function f of x over here does not show this value 200 as the coefficient or base over here. So we can reject answer choice A. Now let me consider answer choice B. Let's find the value of k over here. That is, we have to plug in 1 for x into the function. Then we have 80 times 2 to the first power. 2 to the first power is just 2. 2 times 80 is 160. Here we have the value of k, that is 160, but the f of x in answer choice B does not show this value as a coefficient or base over here. So we can reject answer choice B. Okay, now let's verify answer choice C, that is k equals to f of 1. Then we have 128 times 2 to the power of, let's plug in 1 for x over here, then we get 1 negative 1. Then we get 128 times 2 to the 0th power. Any non-zero number is raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So that is, the value of this one is 1. 1 times 128 is 128. Here I got the value of k for the function f of x in answer choice C. And the function f of x shows the value of k, that is 128 as a coefficient over here. So in the given answer choices, the function f of x in answer choice C shows the value of k as a coefficient. The correct answer choice for this question is C. Anyways, we can verify the answer choice D. K equals to f of 1 equals to 205 times 2 to the power of 1 negative 2, which is equal to 205 times 2 to the power of 1 negative 1. Then we get 205 divided by 2 to the first power. Since we have negative exponent over here, I just move this one to denominator. Then the exponent will change its sign. That is, it will become positive 1. So 2 to the first power is still 2. When I divide 205 by 2, I am getting 102.5. Okay, here I got the value of k. Now let's verify the function f of x over here. F of x does not show this value as a coefficient or base over here. We can reject answer choice D as well. So the correct answer choice for this question is C.